kung napapanood mo tong video na to, always remember that you're not alone. Somewhere, someone the same as you is experiencing exact the same feeling na nararamdaman mo. Hi guys! Hello! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome to Kuya Rizal Vlog. Kamusta kayo guys? Grabe, sobrang tagal since the last time na nag-upload ako na itong video. I hope na you're all doing good. For me, alhamdulillah, I'm good. And ayun, tuloy lang ang buhay natin guys. Sobrang daming bagay na nagbabago sa buhay natin araw-araw. May mga times talaga na nafe-feel natin na down tayo. Yung tipong parang feeling natin lahat na lang nang nangyayari sa buhay natin puro na lang hindi maganda, puro na lang lungkot, puro na lang problema. But alam niyo guys, isa sa natutunan ko sa buhay, unang-una lahat talaga ng bagay nagbabago. Siguro ngayon mabigat yung loob mo, siguro ngayon marami kang problema, siguro bukas makalawa, after a week. Pero ang natutunan ko talaga, hindi nag-i-stay ang kahit na anong sitwasyon na nangyayari sa ating buhay. I mean, if there's one thing that is constant, that is change. Sabi nga nila, kahit gaano man kabigat yung nararamdaman mo, kahit gaano kalaki yung problema na meron ka, as long as you continue living, as long as you continue moving forward, then eventually at the most perfect time, you will be fine. Nakita nyo ba guys, most of the successful people in the world, most of them, they've been through a lot of challenges, a lot of trials, ayun. And they survived, nakasurvived sila, they've been through a lot of pain, hardships, betrayals, sadness, name it. At wala kang makikita na successful na tao sa mundo na hindi nakaranas ng ganon. So, we just have to continue, living, continue dreaming, pagpatuloy lang natin kung ano yung goals natin sa buhay. Kasi, sabi nga ng isang kaibigan ko, dito sa mundo, yung buhay natin, isang beses lang. There's no rewind. If it's done, it's done. Kaya we have to live the best way that we can, and that best way it's not going to be easy. Hindi siya magiging easy talaga. Pwedeng ngayon okay ka, pwedeng bukas hindi ka okay. I think isa sa pinaka-importanting bagay na kailangan din nating matutunan is not to focus kung ano lang yung nangyayari ngayon. When I say not to focus, I mean like bigyan natin yung sarili natin guys ng chance na i-plan kung ano man yung possible na mangyayari in the future. Yung iba kasi, sabi nga nila, we need to learn how to alam mo yun, to live in the moment. Somehow it's true. Pero kasi guys, if sobrang focus tayo, if sobrang feeling natin, eto na to, parang nakakalimutan natin yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina na, if there's one constant thing in this world that is change, na lahat ng bagay nagbabago. Parang yung iba sobrang tutok na tutok sila sa kung ano yung meron sila ngayon, sa kung ano yung, let's say, blessings na natatanggap nila ngayon, happiness na natatanggap nila ngayon. And then they're not preparing themselves sa possible na mangyayari in the future. That's why, kapag dumating yung time na nag-switch na lahat, hindi sila ready. They feel so emotional, they feel so, alam mo yun, sobrang sad, parang hindi sila handa. So, yun guys, I think, kung masaya ka man ngayon, dapat i-anticipate mo na, what if one day, magbago lahat ng to. Kasi I think yun lang yung way para somehow, ma-accept natin yung mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari sa buhay natin. And, eventually, kung ganun yung mindset mo, eventually, magiging magaan sa'yo ang lahat. Hindi man ganun siguro kadali, but somehow, you will teach yourself kung paano tanggapin yung mga bagay na possible na dumating sa'yo in the future. At ganun din guys, on the other hand, for example, mabigat yung loob mo ngayon, marami kang mga problemang pinagdadaanan, or let's say, nasasaktan ka, mga ganong klaseng bagay, you have also to put something deep within you na one day, all this pain, all these hardships, all this, alam mo yon, lahat ng mga challenges na to, eventually it will be over and I will be fine, you will be fine. Yung, alam mo yon, yun lang, tawag dito. Gusto ko lang sabihin na kailangan lawakan natin palagi yung isip natin. By the way, thank you so much guys. Alam niyo yung video ko po na tawag dito about anxiety and depression. I think may mga nasa 37,000 views na dito sa YouTube channel ko. It's still reaching a lot of people. Meron pa rin mga nag-PPM, nagme-message, nagko-comment. I am so thankful. Alam niyo guys na hindi ko dinilit yung video na yon. Kasi, alam niyo yung nakaparang nakayuko ako. Check nyo lang guys, meron akong video po dyan about parang yung about, nakalimutan ko yung title. I think it's kailangan ko bang sumuko sa buhay. It's all about anxiety and depression na nagbigay ako ng mga tips doon, how to overcome your anxiety and your depression. I'm very, very thankful kasi up to this very, very moment, meron pa rin mga nag-PPM sa akin. Especially meron akong ginawa po na page, Kuya Razal, na although wala masyadong followers yon kasi bago ko lang ginawa siya. Pero may mga nare-receive po ako na PM na from that video, hinahanap nila ako online at nakikita nila ako sa Facebook. Check nyo po Kuya Razal. And sinishare po nila sa akin yung experiences nila, yung nararamdaman nila. I'm very, very thankful na kahit simple lang po yung video na yon na ginawa ko, meron pa rin pong mga tao na somehow naiibsan yung bigat ng loob. Yung mga tao na they almost want to give up. Kinukwento nila sa akin na they want to give up, and I'm very thankful na ako yung nagiging way somehow, at yung video na yun yung nagiging way somehow para magpatuloy sila sa buhay. It's not easy, lagi akong sinasabi, depression, anxiety, it's not easy. Ang daming tao guys na sumusuko kasi feeling nila walang nakakaintindi sa kanila, feeling nila wala silang kasama, walang nakikinig sa kanila. Kung napapanood mo tong video na to, always remember that you're not alone. Somewhere, someone the same as you is experiencing exactly the same feeling na nararamdaman mo. And eventually, kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo, it will change. You just have first to pray. Kahit ano man yung faith mo, kahit anong religion mo, you have to pray and talk to Him, sa Diyos. If feeling mo walang nakakaintindi sa'yo, huwag mong kakalimutan, there's one very important na nakakaintindi sa'yo. I cannot call it thing, I cannot call it human being or what, because it's God. Merong isang bagay, merong nag-iisang alas na makikinig sa'yo, na magsosolve ng problem mo, na mag-ease ng pain mo, and that is God. Kahit ano pa mang religion na meron ka. And then always remember na hindi ka nag-iisa. Never kang nag-iisa kasi almost millions of people are suffering the same thing kung ano yung nararamdaman at pinagdadaanan mo. And we have to be thankful, sabi ko nga, kasi majority of those people that are experiencing the same thing na nararamdaman mo, they are the strongest type of people dito sa mundo. And we have to be thankful. It's a gift actually. If we just look at the brighter side of things, it's a gift. Kasi yung mga tao na nakaramdam ng ganyan, they tend to understand life more than anybody else. And they're stronger, they become wiser kasi they've been through it and they overcome it. Kaya sana ikaw din. And I'm good. Sa mga nagtatanong sa akin ba't di na po ako nakapag-upload ng video, it's because ang daming bagay ang nagbago, and open pa rin naman yung YouTube ko, and I hope that alam niyo yun, makapag-upload pa po ako ng videos about anxiety and depression. And ayun, I want to say hi po sa inyong lahat. And don't forget to subscribe dito sa channel na to. And ayun, tawag dito, thank you sa lahat mo ng mga sumuporta sa channel to from way, I don't know kung ilang years na until up to this very moment. And yung content ng channel na to